This employment law video is on managing performance. Managing performance needs to be carried out regularly and handled sensitively. Informal process. If an employee's work is not up to scratch, the starting point is to raise issues with them during informal discussions, which should be taking place as a matter of course. Informal discussions are an opportunity to identify particular concerns and provide clear examples of shortcomings. It's also important to seek an explanation from the employee. There could be simple reasons why the employee is not meeting standards, such as because of lack of resources. The employee should be given guidance, which is as much about encouragement and support as monitoring and constructive criticism. Formal process. Where the informal route does not get the employee back on track, a more formal disciplinary process may need to be considered. This would usually involve a number of stages. The employee would need to be told what corrective action is required, and a definite period would need to be set for improvement. This is commonly called a performance improvement plan, a PIP. If the employee does not meet the expectations, the employee could be issued with a warning after a hearing. A similar process should be repeated with a further opportunity for the employee to improve. If the employee still does not meet expectations, this could result in a second hearing and a final warning being issued. If at the end of the next stage the employee still has not met the targets, dismissal may be an option, but another disciplinary hearing would be needed before a decision is reached. If the employee is dismissed, the employee needs to be given a right of appeal. The Advisory Conciliation and Arbitration Service has provided useful guidance and advice on managing performance. Unfair dismissal. An employee who is dismissed for poor performance may bring an unfair dismissal claim against the employer. Generally, employees need to have at least 2 years continuous service with the employer to be able to bring a claim. But also, employees could try and bring other claims which do not require a minimum length of service, such as for discrimination. For an employer, it's therefore important to follow a fair procedure wherever possible, so that the employer can defend their position if needs be. That's my video on managing performance. The usual caveat is that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. For more information, visit my website. And if you're interested in receiving notifications on other employment law videos, do subscribe to my channel.